Hi, Ed here from Burton Waters Boat Sales in Lincoln. Today we're taking a quick look around this Fairline Targa 38 GT. This is a 2012-2013 build, and what we'll do is this usual, having a look around the cockpit and also the interior accommodation as well. She's new to our sales pontoon, so literally arrived here a couple of days ago. We're still busy, sort of as we're filming this, it's sort of end of October, start of November, but we've sold quite a few boats this month. And this is sort of latest to come to our sales pontoon, so feel free to get in touch once you've seen this one. Just having a quick look on the outside. Obviously you can see she's got the hardtop, nice striking blue hull. Sort of anyone who knows sort of older Fairlines, certainly the Targa 40s, the 43s, know how nice the blue hulls look, sort of synonymous with that really. This sort of follows the same pattern, having the blue hull. Nice side decks up to the bow area, and you've also got the bow section for sunbathing if that's what you want to do. Obviously weather's sort of turning now, sort of end of the year, but certainly sort of next season if you want to take it abroad, it's something you can think of. Right, let's get on board and have a look. So the Targa 38 came in two versions. You've got the open version, and then this is the hardtop version. So the open boat had a rear-facing radar arch, had canopies at the back and canopies at the front, so it was a fully open boat. This, as you can see, you've got the hardtop here. So you've got the superstructure, which comes pretty much back to the transom. You'll find a lot of sports cruisers, particularly modern-day sports cruisers, have gone to this sort of arrangement of having a hardtop. Particularly, it's great in the UK, just because of our weather. So you've got a closing section on the canopy. So you've only got three or four sections of canopy at the back here. The rest is taken up by this hardtop. So it doesn't take you 10-15 minutes to put all your canopies back on once you've sort of brought your boat back in. It's just those sections on the back. You have got this section here which is open at the minute, but touch of a button, hardtop comes down and completely closes. Got a fabric top on fabric section on the top there, so it's sort of concertinas into this sort of access at the back here, so it still feels nice and open, but again, just press a button at the dashboard here, it completely closes. This is where you're going to be spending the majority of your time in this cockpit area, and it's a really practical, sociable space. Got a big U-shape seating area here, seating area at the front here, so you can sit down, face in the direction of travel, same way as the driver. It's finished in this nice Silvertex fabric, so it's in a colour called Movida. It's just nice and hard wearing, and it's nice to have a different colour that's not just sort of white. It sort of helps break up some of the GRP as well. So this is one of the best features I think that Fairline did with these boats, and it's the cockpit table. So you can see you can unfold it. It's great for having sort of food on, socialising around. But when you want to store it away, it's got a couple of handles here. This section of cushion just lifts up, and then this folds back and completely hides behind that port section there. It's great when you want to get access to your engine room as well, because some boats we have, it's got freestanding tables, you have to move them out the way and store them somewhere. This has got a dedicated storing point. It's just an easy, really practical feature, and again gives you access to do your morning checks for all your engines. Speaking of the engines, twin D4 300 Volvos on electronic ram, so literally just a touch of a button, this section of the floor will lift up and get access to your engine room. Other practical touches, so you've got storage underneath here for fenders. Also on your bathing platform, which is really big, you can see it's got teak throughout as well. On the bathing platform, you've got your bathing ladder, and also under here some more storage for fenders or lines or whatever you want to use it for. Also makes it really easy for getting on and off the boat as well. You have got a boarding gate here, so if you've got kids, grandkids, or any, that want to keep them safe, just shut that off. It's nicely tucked away, you're not banging on it as you walk in. It's got a dedicated place, pretty much like the table does as well. If you you want to get access to the side deck, that's easy as well. A couple of steps up, got a handhold, sturdy handhold on the roof here, and you can walk up the starboard side. Have got access on the port side as well, so you can walk up that side, but it's the starboard side is sort of dominant in that area. Over on the starboard side, you've got a wet bar on this particular boat, so it's something you'd expect to sort of find, particularly a boat of this side. It's a socialising space. In here, you've got bilge pumps, some manual bilge pumps, it's just a safety feature really. Under here, nice wooden lid. You've got a barbecue with a wet bar, so you can do your cooking up here if you want, not having to do your cooking downstairs and bring all your warm food up. Got a gas locker here which is nicely tucked away, so that's where you put your gas bottle. And then this one here, just got a nicely convenient bin. Nice at all the practical features as well. You've got nice wooden inserts here, so acts as cup holders. You've got drainage plugs as well, so you're not causing any mess. Over to the starboard side, got a dedicated helm seat. It's really nice actually, really comfortable. Got a bolster there, particularly vertically challenged like I am. You've got a step which comes down, you can stand on that, and the windscreen is low enough that you can actually look directly over there. So when you you've got a choice really if you're out at sea or doing any sort of particular driving down the river or whatever you want to do really. You can sit down, so you can sit, look through the screen, or you can stand, bolster the seat and then look over the windscreen as well. The boat's got pretty much what you'd expect of a boat this size. So you've got twin throttles here, 4 nicely to hand, trim tabs down here, bow thruster control, so just quickly turn that on, and then that keeps your bow in check nicely. This is a control for remote spotlight, and everything is nicely laid out. It's easy to read. You've got starboard engine on this side, port engine on that side obviously, so you've got a rev counter, position of your leg, digital data for your Volvo Penta information, and then it's sort of analog dials up there as well, so things like most important things, engine temperature and fuel gauges. Obviously you don't want to run out of fuel at sea, that would be a bad thing. Finally, on the dashboard here, you've got a speed and depth gauge and a chart plotter as well. Okay, we're sort of down in the accommodation area now of the Targa 38. So the layout is pretty much of what you'd expect of a boat of this size. You've got a galley over to the starboard side, really practical. You've got gas hob, gas oven, some nice storage space here as well. It's got a matte finish to the wood, which is nice. Twin sinks. Nice big fridge down here. And then some nice big storage as well. So the Fred, you can actually see, but the storage goes pretty much back a little bit further after as well. All your major controls for your electronics are up here. So this is all neatly laid out. So it's sort of what you expect from Fairline really. Got all your DC 12 volt stuff on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you've got all your AC bits for when you're plugged into shore power. Seating area predominantly over to the port side. Then you've got your TV conveniently over on the starboard. So if you want to spend a bit more time down here, it's nice to spend an evening in front of the TV if that's what you want to do. And nice practical touches as well. You've got a handhold here as well. So if you're out to sea and you're in the galley area, you've got some nice place to hold on to. Another convenient feature is down here, underneath here. So you've got some storage, but you've also got another cool box area. So we all know boaters love a drink, so you can store some more booze down there if you like. Here is all your bag of books for the boat. It's just nice to have all this sort of stuff. So here you've got all your manuals and owner's manuals for your various bits on board. Nicely documented, owner's manuals, like I said. It's nice to have that sort of thing when you're getting used to your boat. And again, over to this port side, you've got a blind which comes down, and then more storage over here. Right, if we move forward now to sort of what I'd call the main sort of accommodation. So you've got your forward cabin, got a nice double bed, again storage all the way around, nice natural light coming in through the portholes. Got a TV in here as well, so you can watch TV in bed, and then a nice big storage area and a wardrobe over to the port side. Over to the starboard, you've got your main bathroom. So this is a day heads, but it also acts as an ensuite for the master cabin, which is forward. So you've got your sink, toilet, and separate shower as well. A couple more things before we go into the second cabin. So underneath these steps here, got a couple of storage areas, and a nice one underneath these steps as well. That actually gets quite deep. It's just little nooks and crannies really that Fairline have managed to find additional space to store things. Finally, second cabin. So you've got a sofa over to the port side. So if you want to sit and relax in the morning, you can. It's a nice place to get changed. Nice 3 big hall windows as well. Just give you a good view, but also let your natural light in. These berths here are actually scissor berths. So 2 singles. We push it across. It converts into a double as well. I'll just reveal here as well, you've got a nice little wardrobe area. So you've got guests, got somewhere to put their clothes. Just pull these cupboards open so you can see them as well. The thing we're discovering when we're coming on this boat is just how much storage there is. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video of the Fairline Targa 38 GT we have for sale. Currently available to view 7 days a week here at Burton Waters Boat Sales in Lincoln. Feel free to call the office for any more information or if you want to arrange a viewing. We'll see you next time.